Start. From the judgments referred above, it is rather clear that a statute which affects substantive rights is presumed to be prospective in operation unless made retrospective either expressly or by necessary intendment. Stop. A statute which merely affects procedure unless a different intention is available is presumed to be retrospective. Stop. However, a statute which is procedural in its character but affect vested rights adversely is to be constructed as prospective. Stop. Limitation provisions can be procedural in the context of a certain set of facts but may be substantive in a different set of facts on account of the fact that right can occur to both the parties. Stop. An acquired right to plead a time bar which is required after the lapse of the statutory period is nevertheless a right even though it rises under an act which is procedural, and a right which is not to be taken away pleading retrospective operation unless a contrary intention is discernible from the statute. Stop. Para. Through the legislature can legislate retrospectively, the same rule cannot be applied to the government exercising delegated legislative power, for the scope of their power is not co-extensive with that of legislature. Stop. In other words, an executive government exercising subordinate and delegated legislative power cannot make legislature retrospective in effect unless that power is expressly conferred or such a construction appears very clearly in the terms of the act or arises by necessary and distinct implication. Stop. Para. No doubt the time specified to conduct inquiry as completed under section 65 is part of procedure under the statutory scheme. Stop. However, the registrar has been authorized to complete the inquiry within the specified time, and at any rate it shall not exceed 1 year. Stop. By virtue of the other aforesaid, government had exempted the society from the operation of section 65 within bracket 5 until completion of the inquiry. Stop. The government orders is issued after expiry of the period prescribed for inquiry and has the effect of exceeding the time retrospectively. Stop. Apparently, the inquiry by the registrar does not create any vested right on any member of the managing committee. Stop. After the inquiry, only if it is found that there has been a major defect, he may initiate further action as contemplated under section 65 within bracket 6 of the act, in which event alone a right of defense arises to the individual. Stop. The short question is whether the government can exercise the said power having retrospective effect. Stop.